Hi everyone. We are going to walk across a field in a park to get to a bike path, and we're going to use the graph below to find the shortest distance we can walk to reach the path. We're also going to fill out this information, A, B, and C. So we want to find the slope of the bike path. So the slope formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So I'm going to pick these 2 points here and use your slope formula. So I'm going to do 140 minus 120 divided by 50 minus 25, and that gives us 20 divided by 25, and divide both of those by 5 and you get 4/5. So that's your slope of the bike path. Now the slope of the perpendicular line from you to the path, or the perpendicular line to this first, the bike path, is going to be the negative reciprocal, which is negative 5/4. Now we have to find the point which will be the shortest distance to travel to get to the bike path. So what we're going to do is take the distances. We're going to use our first point, that's us, and calculate these distances. So this is point 1, and this would be point 2. So we're going to do the first distance, and we're going to get 120. No, we'll do x's first, sorry. We're going to do 25 minus 85 squared plus 120 minus 45 squared. So that's going to give you square root of 25 minus 85. That's going to give you negative 60 squared plus 120 minus 45 equals 75 squared. All right, so this equals the square root of 3600, and 75 squared is 5625. So you add those together, 360 plus 5625, and you get the square root of 9225. So that's the first one. Now we do the second one, and we're going to do the same thing. So we get equals 140, or well, let's do the x's first. 50 minus 85 squared plus 140 minus 45 squared. So that's going to give you negative 35 squared plus 95 squared. So that's going to give you 1225 plus 9025. If you add those together, you get 1250, which is already bigger than the first one we did. So this is not the shortest distance. Okay, the next one, we're going to do this distance equals 75 minus 85 squared plus 160 minus 45 squared. So this equals negative 10 squared plus 115 squared, I believe. Yeah, 115 squared, which equals 100 plus 115 squared is 13,225. So that's going to be 13,325. And that's even bigger than this one, so this one doesn't work. And it's still bigger than our first one. So the last one we're going to do is 85 minus 85 plus 168 minus 45 squared. So that's going to be 0 plus 123 squared. 123 squared is square root of 15,129, which is still bigger. So our smallest number distance is this number. So our points would be x is 25 and our y is 120. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.